How to fix Facebook code not sending. Hello, hello everyone. Wherever you are in this video, we'll talk about how to fix this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your Facebook. Go and open the settings of your phone. Here, open apps option, and then on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open Facebook when you find it, and then what you should do, you have to go to permissions, and now you will find a lot of options. You will go to this option here, phone, and you have to allow it, and then you have to back and go directly to storage option, click on clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click again on force stop, click again OK. And after this, you will find that your problem has been solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.